Hello friends, my name is Sarika Tulsiani and today in this video we are going to talk about circular tracks. In the previous video we had seen the concepts of time and distance and races. Now we are going to see a circular race or a circular track. Okay? Now let's say I have a circular track of length L. Okay? This is my starting point. SP is the starting point. I have two people A and B who start from the same point. Correct? A and B start from the same point. Now A moves in one direction, B moves in the opposite direction. Okay? They start from the same point, they are moving in two different directions. Now the question is, what is the time taken by A and B to meet for the first time anywhere on the track? When will A and B meet for the first time anywhere on the track? Now for this I am sure you are clear with the concept of relative speed. Okay? We'll be using the concept of relative speed here. We know time is distance upon speed. Now understand what is the distance here. Because they start from the same point. A is going to cover some distance, B is going to cover the remaining distance. So what is the total distance covered? देखो A ने कुछ distance cover किया, B ने बचा हुआ distance cover किया. So the total distance covered is the length of the track. Okay? So the distance is L. Correct? Now they are moving in opposite directions. They are moving towards each other. When they move towards each other, what will be the relative speed? It is the addition of two speeds. Because देखो एक सेकंड में क्या हुआ? A moved in one direction, B moved in opposite direction. But in the end, what is happening? They are moving towards each other. So the time required by them to meet will be less. Time कम लगेगा, मतलब speed ज़्यादा है. Because speed is inversely proportional to time. So your total speed or relative speed will be S1 plus S2. So at this time they will meet anywhere on the track. Now here they were moving in opposite direction. What if they move in the same direction? Now see what happens. This is the starting point. Two people A and B start from the same point. They are moving in the same direction. And L is the length of the track. Now what do we do? Understand? दोनों ने same point से चालू किया. A का speed ज़्यादा है. So A started moving ahead. B पीछे से आ रहा है. Same question. At what time will they meet for the first time anywhere on the track? Now again we know time is distance upon speed. What will be the distance here? Generally students get confused here. Remember in this case also, the distance will be the length of the track. Now if you ask why? Now understand one thing. देखो, A is covering some distance, B उसके पीछे से आ रहा है. तो देखो for example, उन्होंने यहाँ से चालू किया. A कहीं तो distance पूरा cover कर रहा था, B पीछे से आ रहा था, but B was slow. ठीक है, B was slow. So what happened? देखो A covered the entire circle. In the meanwhile, B reached somewhere here. Let's say for example, B reached here. तब तक A ने क्या किया? A covered the entire circle and then A covered this distance again. So let's say they meet here. This is my meeting point. तो क्या हुआ? अभी this entire distance is covered by A also. This is covered by B also. Try to understand. A covered the entire circle and once it reached the starting point, वो आगे वापस continue करा. B का speed बहुत slow था. तो B in the meanwhile could cover only this distance. तो this distance, ये वाला जो point है, it is covered by A also, it is covered by B also. So we don't consider that distance. A ने extra कितना cover किया? देखो, A had to cover one entire circle and then cover this extra part. So A had to cover the entire circle to meet B. Because understand, suppose this is A, this is B. A पूरा सर्कल कवर कर रहा है और B पीछे से आ रहा है. तो A ने क्या किया? पूरा सर्कल कवर किया, फिर एक्स्ट्रा डिस्टेंस कवर करके B से मिला. तो ये जो पार्ट है A और B दोनों ने कवर किया है. So we don't consider that. So but A had to cover the entire circle. Hence the distance here is the length of the track. ठीक है? And what happens to the speeds? They are moving in the same direction. When two bodies move in the same direction, we subtract the speed. So that becomes mod of S1 minus S2. Because the speed cannot be negative, it will be bigger minus smaller. So if it's the same direction, this is your time. If it is the opposite direction, this is your time. Now let's look at the next concept. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? what is the time taken by A and B to meet for the first time strictly at the starting point? They cannot meet anywhere on the track. They have to strictly meet at the starting point. One thing just remember at the starting point is whether they travel in the opposite direction or the same direction, the concept remains the same. The formula is the same. Formula change नहीं होता है. It remains the same. But what is the formula? देखो. Here, this is my length of the track, L. A and B start from the same point. They are moving in opposite direction. But उन दोनों को मिलना है starting point पे ही, SP पे ही मिलना है, ठीक है? A का speed है S1, B का speed है S2. When will they meet? Here the formula is, it is the LCM of time taken by A and time taken by B. At this time they will meet. So if you ask why the LCM, why does this come? Now let's take an example. Let's say length is 100 meters. ठीक है? A का speed is 10 meter per second. B का speed is 5 meter per second. The question is when will A and B meet at the starting point? ठीक है? If I ask you what is the time taken by A to cover the entire circle? ठीक है? Time is distance upon speed. तो A को distance कितना कवर करना है? 100 meters. करेक्ट? उसका डिस्टेंस है 100 मीटर्स. उसका स्पीड कितना है? द स्पीड इज 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो 100 अपॉन 10. सो द टाइम टेकन बाय ए टू कवर द एंटायर सर्कल इज 10 seconds. करेक्ट? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट बी. बी ऑल्सो हैज टू कवर 100 मीटर्स. करेक्ट? बट व्हाट इज द स्पीड? 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो 100 by 5 that will become 20 seconds. ठीक है? Now what happens? After 10 seconds, A has reached the starting point. But where is B? B takes 20 seconds to cover the circle. तो B 10 seconds के बाद midway पे होगा. So B will take more 10 seconds to cover the circle. Correct? B will take 20 seconds to cover the circle. What will A do? 10 seconds? Again 10 seconds. So A will take 2 circles. It will make 2 rounds. So that means what? After 20 seconds, A is at the starting point. B is also at the starting point. Now what is that 20 seconds? It is the LCM of 10 and 20. LCM of 10 and 20 is 20 seconds. So after 20 seconds, both meet at the starting point. So in this case, the same or opposite does not matter. Your concept or your formula is this. Now let's look at a question. Two cyclists A and B with speeds of 8 meter per second and 10 meter per second are cycling around a circular track of length 120 meters. तो मेरा जो circular track है उसका length is 120 meters. After how many seconds will they meet for the first time anywhere on the track, same direction and opposite direction, and at the starting point? So we have all three questions incorporated here. अभी क्या बोला है देखो. The length of the track is 120 meters. ठीक है? Let's say this is my starting point. First of all, when will they meet anywhere on the track provided they are moving in the same direction? ठीक है? Same direction में जा रहे हैं दोनों भी A and B. ठीक है? Same direction के लिए the time we know is distance upon speed. What is the distance here? It is the length of the track which is 120. Correct? Now, they are moving in the same direction. When two bodies move in the same direction, we subtract their speeds. तो A का speed कितना है? 8. B का speed है 10. So the difference is 2. So when will they meet for the first time? They will meet after 60 seconds, provided they are moving in the same direction. अच्छा, अगर opposite direction में travel कर रहे हैं, let's say A started from here and B started from here, ठीक है? Now when will they meet? Same thing. Time is distance upon speed. The distance will again be the length of the track, which is 120, upon the relative speed will be 10 plus 8 because they are moving in opposite directions. So this becomes 18. Correct? So this is 6 3s are 6 2s are so 20 by 3. So after 20 by 3 seconds, they are going to meet. So you can also write it as 6.66 seconds. Next is when will they meet at the starting point? तो starting point के लिए क्या formula था? It was the LCM of time taken by A and time taken by B. ए को पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट करने को कितना टाइम लगेगा? ए को डिस्टेंस कितना कवर करना है? 120. ठीक है, ए का स्पीड कितना है? 8. सो दिस विल बी द टाइम टेकन बाय ए. बी को भी 120 कवर करना है एंड बी का टाइम टेकन इज 10. ठीक है, सॉरी, बी का स्पीड इज 10. So this becomes 120 by 10. So this will be the LCM of what is 120 by A? This is 15 and this will be 12. So whatever is the LCM of 15 and 12 will be the time taken by both of them to meet at the starting point. Now what is the LCM of 12 and 15? It is 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds, both A and B will be meeting at the starting point. Okay, now let's look at one more question. Two men, B and C, run around a circular track of length 500 meters in opposite direction. So, your length of the track is 500 meters. They move in opposite direction, okay? With initial speeds of 4 and 1 meter per second respectively. So, let's say this is my starting point. B travels with a speed of 4 meter per second. And C travels with a speed of 1 meter per second. ठीक है, उसके बाद क्या बोला है? Whenever they meet, B speed halves and C speed doubles. B का speed आधा हो जाता है, C का speed double हो जाता है. After they meet, after how much time will they meet for the third time? Third time कितने time के बाद मिलेंगे? Let's talk about meeting 1. After how much time will they meet for the first time? देखो, they start from the same point. They have to move in opposite direction. So the total distance covered will be the length of the track. So which is 500 meters. Speed क्या होगा? They are moving in opposite direction. So you will add the speed. B का speed है 4, C का speed है 1. 500 upon 5 is 100 seconds. So after 100 seconds they will meet for the first time. Second time क्या होगा? Again, let's say they met here somewhere. B को, so let's say B ने इधर आया and C also came here. C को ये distance cover करना पड़ेगा and B will also have to cover the remaining distance. So again they will have to cover the length of the track. ठीक है? So for meeting 2, the total distance again is 500 meters. But what are they saying? Whenever they meet, B speed halves. तो B का speed पहले 4 था. Now it will become 2. And C's speed doubles. So C का speed was 1, it will become 2. So this is nothing but 500 upon 4, which is nothing but 125 seconds. So after 125 seconds, they meet for the second time. When will they meet for the third time? See, again the total distance covered will be the length of the track, which is 500 meters. B का speed half हो जाएगा. B का speed was 2, it will become 1. And C का speed will become double. So C का speed was 2, now it will become 4. So 500 upon 5 is nothing but 100 seconds again. So what is the total time taken for them to meet for the third time? So the total time is 100 plus 125 plus 100. So that means they will take a total of 325 seconds to meet for the third time. So this is how you solve the problem. So in this video, we had seen the concept of circular tracks, same direction, opposite direction, anywhere on the track and also the starting point, and solved a couple of questions. In the next video, we'll be solving some more questions on circular tracks so that your concepts become thorough. Okay? If you want me to make videos on certain specific topics, do mention in the comment box, and please give this video a like, thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel.